Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghack's channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to set a default browser on your iPhone. So before to set the default browser, first thing you have to do is check what browser that you have on your phone. For me, I have Chrome and Safari as a browser on my phone, and I want to set one of them as my default. So the things that we need to do is just go into the settings, okay, and then scroll and find a Chrome options. Okay, we have Chrome here, and then just need to open the Chrome, and then we can see that there is default browser app, and those say that Chrome is my default browser app. I want to change it into the Safari, so we need to open the default browser app sections, and then just change it by click the Safari until the check is moved into the Safari. Now just click back. Okay, so now the default browser of my phone is Safari. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.